Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Mail Academy. Today we are going to learn how to merge multiple PDF files into single PDF file. Search on Google BitRecover PDF Merge Wizard. Click on Download. Install now. Click on Select Files option to select your PDF files from a folder. Click on Select Folders option to select folders containing PDF files. Select PDF Files folder. Select Destination folder. Trial version will add watermark to bigger files. Buy license to get the unlimited access. Buy activate the software here. Open destination folder for output. Merge PDF file. Get any full license version for complete file conversion without any watermark.